Keeping your car clean doesn't have to be a chore, especially when you have the right tools. A good car wash can make all the difference in achieving that spotless shine while protecting your vehicle's paint. In this video, we'll review the best car wash mitts available today: Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt, Griot's Garage Microfiber Wash Mitt, the Rag Company Cyclone Wash Mitt, Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt, and Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt. Let's help you find the perfect mitt for your car care routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt. The Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt is designed to provide a luxurious wash experience while effectively lifting dirt and grime from your vehicle surface. With its soft and plush chenille fibers, this mitt is perfect for those looking to pamper their car while ensuring a thorough clean. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver around your vehicle. Key features. One of the standout features of Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt is its high absorbency, allowing it to hold plenty of soapy water for a longer wash session. The mitt is constructed from soft chenille material that is gentle on paint, helping to prevent swirl marks and scratches. Additionally, it has an elastic cuff that ensures a snug fit, preventing slippage during use. Benefits and usage. The benefits of using Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt include its ability to trap dirt and debris effectively while being safe for your car's finish. Ideal for both wash and rinse, this mitt can be used on all types of surfaces, making it a versatile addition to your car care toolkit. Its plush texture allows for a gentle touch, perfect for those meticulous detailing jobs. Usability. Usability is a strong suit for this mitt. The elastic cuff keeps the mitt securely in place, allowing you to focus on washing without constantly adjusting it. Measuring approximately 10 inches by 7 inches, it provides ample coverage for larger vehicles while still being manageable for smaller cars. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, even for extended washing sessions. Durability. Built to last, Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt is machine washable, allowing for easy cleaning after each use. The high-quality materials resist wear and tear, ensuring that you get multiple uses out of it without compromising performance. Many users report that the mitt maintains its softness and effectiveness even after numerous washes, making it a reliable option for regular car care. In the second spot, we have Griot's Garage Microfiber Wash Mitt. Griot's Garage Microfiber Wash Mitt is designed for those who value quality and performance in their car care products. This mitt is crafted from premium microfiber, ensuring a scratch-free wash while effectively removing dirt and grime. Its unique design and construction make it a favorite among car enthusiasts and detailers alike. Key features. The key features of Griot's Garage Microfiber Wash Mitt include its dual-sided design, with one side featuring plush microfiber for gentle washing and the other for scrubbing tougher spots. The mitt is highly absorbent, allowing it to hold a significant amount of water and soap. Additionally, it has an ergonomic shape that provides excellent grip and comfort during use. Benefits and usage. This mitt offers significant benefits, especially for those who often detail their cars. The microfiber construction helps lift dirt away from the surface, reducing the risk of scratches. It's ideal for use on all vehicle surfaces, including paint, glass, and trim, making it a versatile tool for thorough cleaning. Its dual-sided feature enhances functionality, allowing users to tackle different cleaning tasks without switching tools. Usability. Griot's Garage Microfiber Wash Mitt is designed for ease of use. Its generous size allows for better coverage during washing, while the comfortable fit ensures you can work efficiently. The mitt is also lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the car, whether you're washing the roof or lower panels. The soft microfiber feels great in hand, further enhancing the overall washing experience. Durability. Durability is a hallmark of Griot's Garage products, and this mitt is no exception. The high-quality microfiber is designed to withstand frequent washing and drying without losing its effectiveness. Users appreciate that it holds up well over time, maintaining its plushness and absorbency even after many washes. This mitt is also machine washable, ensuring it stays clean and ready for your next car wash. Coming in at number 3 is the Rag Company Cyclone Wash Mitt. The Rag Company Cyclone Wash Mitt is engineered for superior cleaning performance, combining functionality and design to deliver exceptional results. Made from high-quality microfiber, This mitt is perfect for those who take car cleaning seriously. Its unique Cyclone design helps to trap dirt and debris effectively while ensuring a scratch-free wash. Key features. A standout feature of the Cyclone Wash Mitt is its unique structure, which features long, plush fibers that are incredibly effective at lifting dirt and grime off surfaces. The mitt is highly absorbent, allowing for extended washing sessions without needing to constantly dip it back into the soapy water. Additionally, it has a durable elastic cuff for a secure fit. Benefits and usage. The Cyclone Wash Mitt is perfect for users who want a thorough clean without risking damage to their vehicle's paint. Its plush microfiber construction ensures that dirt and grime are lifted away rather than ground into the surface. Ideal for use on cars, trucks, and SUVs, this mitt can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, from regular washes to more detailed cleaning jobs. Usability. Usability is enhanced with the Rag Company Cyclone Wash Mitt, as its size and shape allow for excellent maneuverability. The elastic cuff provides a comfortable fit, ensuring the mitt stays in place during use. Measuring approximately 10 inches in length, it offers ample surface area for washing while still being manageable in tight spaces. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to handle, even during longer washing sessions. Durability. Built for long-term use, the Cyclone Wash Mitt is machine washable, ensuring easy maintenance and care. The high-quality microfiber is resistant to wear and tear, maintaining its effectiveness even after multiple washes. Users have noted that the mitt retains its plushness and absorbs water well over time, making it a durable addition to any car cleaning arsenal. Taking our fourth spot is Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt. The Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Designed for effective car cleaning, this mitt features a soft microfiber construction that is gentle on surfaces while providing excellent cleaning power. It's a great choice for car enthusiasts looking for a reliable wash mitt without breaking the bank. Key features. One of the key features of the Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt is its long, plush fibers that effectively trap dirt and debris while washing. The mitt is highly absorbent, ensuring it holds enough soapy water for thorough cleaning. Additionally, it has an elastic cuff that keeps it secure on your hand, allowing for comfortable use without worrying about slippage. Benefits and usage. This mitt offers great benefits for users who want an effective cleaning tool at an affordable price. The microfiber construction is gentle on paint, reducing the risk of scratches or swirl marks during washing. Ideal for all types of vehicles, the Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt is perfect for regular maintenance washes or occasional detailing jobs. Usability. The usability of the Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt is straightforward and efficient. Its design allows for a comfortable grip, while the elastic cuff ensures it stays in place. Measuring around 10 inches in length, it provides good coverage for larger areas without sacrificing maneuverability. The lightweight feel adds to its ease of use, making it suitable for all skill levels. Durability. Despite its budget-friendly price, the Red Fox Microfiber Wash Mitt is built to last. The materials used are designed to withstand repeated use and washing, ensuring you get good value for your investment. Users appreciate that the mitt maintains its shape and effectiveness over time, making it a solid choice for those looking to save while still getting quality performance. And finally, at number 5, we have Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt. The Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt is a no-frills option that delivers solid performance at an affordable price. Made from soft chenille fibers, this mitt is designed for effective cleaning while protecting your vehicle's finish. It's a practical choice for anyone looking to keep their car clean without spending a fortune on detailing tools. Key features. A notable feature of the Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt is its generous size, which provides excellent surface coverage during washing. The mitt is made from ultra-soft chenille that is effective at trapping dirt and grime, ensuring a thorough clean without scratching the surface. Additionally, the elastic cuff helps keep the mitt securely on your hand. Benefits and usage. The benefits of using the Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt include its affordability and effectiveness. It's designed for all vehicle surfaces, making it a versatile tool for car washing. The soft chenille material ensures that your vehicle's paint remains unharmed, making it ideal for routine washes and light detailing jobs. Usability. Usability is straightforward with the Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt. The elastic cuff provides a secure fit, allowing you to focus on cleaning without worrying about the mitt slipping off. Its ample size makes it easy to cover large areas quickly, while the lightweight design enhances maneuverability. This mitt is suitable for all users, from beginners to seasoned car care enthusiasts. Durability. The Amazon Basics Chenille Wash Mitt is designed for longevity, featuring high-quality materials that resist wear and tear. It's machine washable, making maintenance a breeze after each use. Users have reported that the mitt holds up well over time, maintaining its softness and cleaning effectiveness even after numerous washes, making it a reliable choice for regular car cleaning. In conclusion, choosing the right car wash mitt can elevate your car cleaning experience, ensuring you achieve that sparkling finish without damaging your vehicle's paint. Whether you opt for the luxurious feel of Mother's Chenille Wash Mitt or the budget-friendly reliability of Amazon Basics, there's a mitt out there for every car owner's needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each product. Happy washing, and keep your ride looking its best.